Researching Chase Secured Credit Card? Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Chase Secured Credit Card. But before we get started, I have a quick Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, so I decided to do this video about the Chase Secured Credit Card, and the reason why is because there's a lot of searching on the internet in regards to the Chase Secured Credit Card. And so I was like, man, Chase Secured Credit Card, I don't even know that this card exists. So I actually have an account with Chase. I actually have the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, and I have the Chase Freedom card as well. So I was like, well, is there a Chase Secured card? I didn't know, so I said, you know what, let me go ahead and contact Chase directly because there's so much search on the internet for this credit card. So I contacted Chase and I asked them, hey, do you guys offer a secured credit card? And to my surprise, there is not a Chase Secured credit card. And you would think that Chase would actually have a secured credit card because there are a lot of banks that do offer a secured credit card. For example, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citibank, Discover Card, and these are just a few of the cards that offer secured credit cards. So a lot of the big players do have secured credit card, but Chase unfortunately does not have a secured credit card. So it's pretty interesting that there's a lot of search for the Chase secured credit card, but like I said, Chase does not offer a secured credit card. If you're interested in a secured credit card, I definitely have done a video in regards to what I believe are 3 of the best secured credit cards at the moment. So I'll be sure to put a link right here at the top right of the screen so you can click on that and watch that video as I discuss what I believe to be 3 of the best secured credit cards. As a matter of fact, one of those credit cards I use is a secured card, and I've been able to earn a massive amount of cash back. Actually, in 8 months, I've been able to accumulate over $400 in cash back with this particular secured card that you're going to learn about in the video that you're going to click on. And the video is titled Best Secured Credit Card. So be sure to check that video out. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll answer the question as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I'll see you soon in another video. Be sure to check that video out, okay? Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.